friends! We are going to do a super cool trick with things you can find in your kitchen. We are going to make black pepper run away from soap. Are you ready? Let's go! First, fill a plate or bowl with some water. Now, sprinkle some black pepper on the surface of the water. Look at how it floats on top like tiny little boats. Pepper floats because it's very light. And the surface of the water is like a stretchy skin that holds it up. This stretchy skin is called surface tension. Next, dip your fingertip in some liquid soap. Get ready for the magic. Now, gently touch the surface of the water with your soapy fingers. Wow! Look at that pepper scatter and run away. What just happened? The soap breaks the surface tension of the water. Isn't that amazing? Try it out and impress your family and friends with your new science trick. See you next time. Bye!